Hi, this is John Landis from TriMech with a video tech tip about working with design revisions in 3DEXPERIENCE document management that's included with SOLIDWORKS cloud services. One of the greatest things about vaulting your data in 3DEXPERIENCE is how easy it is to work with document revisions and understand the status of your designs. Because our model is stored as a record in a secure online database, we get to work with it as a single entity or item with its various revisions already all baked in. There is no need to maintain discrete file sets for each revision. When we open up this assembly, we're automatically notified that there are newer revisions of some of these components in the data file store, and we can update them all at the same time if we want to. But I want to draw your attention to the right pane of SOLIDWORKS, the Task Manager. Here we see in the My Session panel a familiar tree type view, with each column giving us some information about the status of our assembly. If you notice in the revision column, we now know for sure that we're looking at revision A1. It's not the last revision, and the current maturity state of that revision is that it's released. When we want to see a different revision, well, that's just a right click away. And we can ask 3DEXPERIENCE File Management to replace the revision we currently see in SOLIDWORKS, in this case with revision B1, which is still in work. Right now, SOLIDWORKS is communicating with the cloud storage database, and the requested model revision is being loaded into SOLIDWORKS, and we're going to see that image update in just a second. Check it out. Isn't that cool? Notice how my session updates to reflect the new revision as well as the maturity state of this particular revision, which is still in work. With 3DEXPERIENCE document management, we no longer have to use obscure folder naming conventions or file prefixes or suffixes to keep our revisions straight. We get to work with the model as a single object with the revisions all there in the same place, just a right click away.